Hi everyone, Carol here from Lalainspired Designs. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a DIY wood sign with chalk couture. Okay, so the first thing I do is I'm going to open up my transfer. Now this transfer is a wreath. There's two of them, but I'm only going to be using one. And it's pretty large. The wood that you see underneath is from Home Depot, and that is about 16 by 16. And the first thing that you see I'm doing is I'm trying to defuzz the transfer before I apply it on the wood. And the reason I do this is because I don't want the transfer to be super sticky once I am going to remove the transfer. All right, so you can use any towel. And right now I'm just gonna press down on it, and then I'm gonna start using the white chalk paste. And as you can see, I'm using a small squeegee, and I wanna make sure that I cover the areas of the transfer that I want to show up on my wood sign. All right, and so the technique is just going back and forth and then maybe up and down, and any of the extra paste you can definitely put back in the jar and save that for later because you can use it on another project. So here I am peeling off the transfer, and the defuzzing worked. I was able to remove it, and there it is. So now, because it's Christmas, I am going to be applying the Merry Christmas transfer. Now, I'm not going to be using the whole transfer again. I'm only going to be using the Merry Christmas letter. So that's the only thing that I want to chalk using my small squeegee. And again, the same technique, up and down and across, and anything extra can go right back in the jar. So I am finally done here, and voila. I am going to peel this off, and there it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in more about chalk couture and all the DIY home decor that you can do, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be putting all the links below. Thank you.